Alright guys, so without wasting much time, we'll start right away. And in the last video we have added volley dependency, and make sure you add internet permission as well. Okay, I'm just going to copy this. You can go through this documentation. It's a good, actually a good what do we call a library. Okay, and now what I'm going to do, I'll add this in a manifest.xml. And where is our manifest? Yeah, it's over here. And make sure you add this permission also, internet. Okay, that's all we have to do. Now what we are going to do is in chat activity, this all thing will happen inside chat activity. So what I'm going to do is in chat activity, first what I'll do, I'll add this request view queue, that is library which we have added. So I'm going to add this, so you can add it by just defining request request queue and then request, or you can give any name for this. Okay, not double E. Okay, we got this. Now what I am going to do now is I'll just add this, define this value below this, just copy this, and here I'll define this equal to, you will just write volley, alright, dot, then new request queue. There you have to pass context. I'll pass context as this and close this. Okay, now the moment you send the message, okay, once you send the message, you want to push notification as well. Now to push notification, we will do inside once the message is sent. Okay, so to push notification, what you have to do is first you have to define object for this. So how we are going to send this is how we are going to send. We are going to pass user, okay, username, you can pass it here like any name, and then message, whatever message is sent, and then this also, what do you call FCM token. This is FCM token to whom you want to push notification, that you have to send it here. Okay, now to build this in Java object, we have to use JSON object. So I'm going to make use of JSON object. So JSON object, so you can write object equal to then new JSON object. Alright, okay, then object. Now with that object we can put all the object, but what we want to do is, okay, sorry, we have inside object, so this is a JSON object. Let's say this is a JSON object. Again inside we have one JSON object, so we can create two JSON object. So I'll create JSON object, inner object equal to then new JSON object one more time. And now we'll try to build similar to this. So inside inner we have user and message, right? So I'll pass this inner object dot input. I'll just copy the same thing, so for user, and I'll pass user, and outside you have to pass the user. Okay, so we'll discuss this and duplicate this, and this time instead of user we have message. Okay, and now what I want to do is I want to pass, what do you call for this, FCM token of the login user also. Let's just say I'm logged in with Tom and I'm trying to send message to Don. I want to pass my user also, that is Tom also, Tom FCM also. So I'll write sender FCM. Okay, and then you have to pass. Now user is, if we check here, we won't get it probably in chat activity. Okay, we are not getting it. So what we are going to do, we will fetch this from the database. Now message we will get, so message you can just pass message. Okay, this will pass the message, and you have to make it final. And sender FCM, this may through. Okay, so yeah, correct. So I'll just paste everything inside this, and we are passing, sorry, this also I'll pass it here. So sender FCM and user name we will get it from database. So now to get the detailed user detail, before we fetch message, I'll write fetch, sorry, fetch user. Okay, fetch user detail. Actually we don't have to, okay, we'll make use of this. Okay, fetch user detail function, which will fetch the user detail. And this is not the correct spell. I'll write user, I'll enter to just create new function, and here we'll fetch the user detail. Okay, and what do we need? We need username and FCM token, right? So I'll write to string, there is a string of name, and initially it will be empty, not here. Okay, then string FCM token, FCM user FCM, right? You can write sender also, sender underscore FCM. Okay, make sure you give space here, and here also you can give value, default value empty. Okay, now I'll fetch it and I'll store this value to this. So now to store this, what I'll do, I'm going to use Firebase. Okay, we have, right, mstore, yeah, dot collection, and inside user, I'm going inside user, make sure this is the correct spell, and then dot document. In document I'm passing my document, that is mauth dot current user dot get UID. Then after this dot get, right, dot add on complete listener, new one complete listener. Okay, we will get all the value here. So if task dot is successful, outside you have to write in that name. Okay, we will pass this name, or what is it, first parameter, yeah, name and sender, name equal to, what you can do here is task dot get result dot get string, and you pass the string name, come outside, duplicate this, and this one will be sender FCM, right? And now make sure this both match with this database. Where is our database? Oh wait, not this one, sorry. Let me just close this one, not this one. Where is our app? FirestoreChatApp here, and come inside database, and inside user, this user, and this FCM and name, as you can see. So I'll write FCM. So for FCM, I'm just gonna write FCM. You'll get the FCM, and for the name, we have name only, right? So name. Okay, that's all we have to get now. While sending push notification for user, you can pass name, and for FCM token, you can pass FCM token. Okay, sorry, this is sender FCM token. Okay, we are all just preparing this thing, data. Okay, we got this whole part, not a whole part, this part. Now we want to store this inside data. So what you have to do, this object, alright, object dot put, then data. Inside data we are going to pass this inner object. Okay, this should do this work. Alright, this part is done. Then to, then FCM. Okay, so now object dot to, not array, put, inside put you have to pass this to. Now we have this FCM already over here. Where is that? Actually from the intent we got it, so FCM directly you can pass. So I'll pass this FCM here. Okay, and then close this. Alright, so that's all we need to do to pass FCM, and now I think our this part is done. Now we want to send this request in this HTTP, right? Now to do that, in Wally we have JSON object request, so we can achieve